Hey, this is Jamie at Useful Knowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon sugar-coated pecans. Now this is based off a recipe that my grandmother made every Thanksgiving and Christmas when I was growing up. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make them, and it's only going to take you about 30 minutes. Okay, for the ingredients, you need 2 cups of raw pecan halves. You need 1 cup of pure cane sugar. Now I use unrefined sugar, but you can use the regular white refined sugar. You need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and finally you need 1/2 cup of water. When my grandmother made these when I was growing up, she said you had to use an iron skillet, and I really believe it was because the iron skillet heated the pecans and the sugar evenly. So that's what I still use, and that's what I'm going to recommend. This is a 12-inch iron skillet. Okay, before we get started, I want you to turn your oven on to 300 degrees, and then we're going to butter a cookie sheet. So all I'm doing here is I'm just putting butter all over this cookie sheet. Okay, this recipe is very simple. It's a 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to mix all that up. We're going to turn this on a medium high. Once you get the sugar and the cinnamon stirred up well, we're going to add the pecans. Okay, we're going to add the pecans. And that's 2 cups of pecans. Okay, you can see this is cooking really well. You can start stirring it. We're going to leave this on a medium high. Okay, our pecans have been cooking for about 5 minutes and starting to get pretty thick, so it's probably about another 5 minutes before we put them on our cookie sheet and then put them in the oven. So you see how the sugar is starting to crystallize? That's your key to know that it's time to put these on the cookie sheet. Remember how we buttered our cookie sheet? So we're going to spread these out. And you can see that sugar is really crystallized. Okay, we're putting these in the oven at 300 degrees, and we're going to let them bake for about 15 minutes. Okay, time's up. These have been cooking for 15 minutes in the oven, and they are ready to take out. We're going to get them out, let them cool down, and put them in our favorite candy dish. Now these are great for Thanksgiving. It's also great for Christmas and any other special occasion that you just want some cinnamon sugar-coated pecans. Okay, well here they are. They've cooled down, and I placed them in this candy dish, and they are ready for eating. And these things absolutely taste great. And it only took about 30 minutes to cook these from start to finish. They're great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and any other special time. So we hope you gained some useful knowledge on how easy it is to make sugar-coated cinnamon pecans. Thanks for watching.